I got the motor installed and then I was able to change out the motor plate screws from Phillips to hexes. You can see the hexes there. I was getting ready to install the electronics. I was going to install them in the nose right there, but it turns out that won't be possible because the leads aren't long enough on the ESC that I have. So I was looking at other places to install it, and then I was wondering where the original was installed. So apparently it goes here over the battery tray. This part is missing from this particular truck. I'm not going to order it. I'm going to go ahead and make my own. I have a piece of black plastic building material that I'll be using to cut out and build my own battery tray. It needs a little bit of a spacer there, just to bring it up so that the battery can still slide into this tray from the side. So I'll incorporate all that into my design and then get that installed so I can get the rest of the electronics. So I got my electronics plates installed. I cut out a couple pieces of Lexan. I was going to use this black building material, but it didn't cut so well, and I like the look of the clear Lexan better. This is a very thick piece of Lexan, so it'll be just fine. I made two plates, one for the ESC and one for the receiver. This is a similar layout to what was in it in the beginning, from what I can figure out from reading the manuals online. So next I'll get the ESC and the receiver installed, and that'll be the electronics. I already got the motor installed when I was working in the transmission. I greased it and went ahead and installed the motor with the 16 tooth pinion. I'm going to try to keep this as slow as possible. I think this motor is a little faster than I'd like, so keep that 16 tooth in there. Slow it down just a little bit. So like I said, next I'll be putting in the electronics, and then I'll update from there.